So hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. और ये माश है.
You know me.
तो एक्चुअली 2 हफ्ते से गायब थे हम लोग क्योंकि आपको
इसकी
पता है.
तबीयत खराब थी ऑब्वियसली.
हाँ, और लोकेशन भी थोड़ी चेंज लग रही होगी.
इसका रूम है ऑब्वियसली.
और ये आया आज मेरे घर पे और अभी तक मैं इसके घर पे शूट कर रहा था. सो आज हम लोग किस पे शूट करने वाला है बताइए.
Who is BTS? टाइटल पढ़ के समझ आ ही गया होगा आपको. सो बेसिकली हम इसलिए शूट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि इसको प्रॉब्लम होता है थोड़ा पहचान.
You know I'm bad with names, right? So
he is still not familiar
Yeah.
with BTS, right? So he gets confused between Jimin and Suga.
थोड़ा सा आज क्लियर हो जाएगा. देख लो आप लोग वीडियो.
वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. कैसा है वीडियो का?
1 मिनट सेटअप करने दो यार. हाँ
So they are always this messy.
समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Let's meet the 7 members of BTS.
RM, leader, rapper, producer.
Kim Namjoon.
Yeah. RM is a leader and is often seen giving awards, acceptance speeches for BTS. Okay. RM is a rapper who was active in Korea and around the world. Okay. In 2009 to 10. But the studio later decided to debut it as a K-pop idol group. RM made the difficult decision of staying in BTS. His peers looked down
For betraying hip hop.
and idol fans looked down on him for
Not fitting the Korean beauty standards. I mean, they have.
दिया है तो
They're criticizing him here. I'm basically
present the phone. ये पहले का गाना ना.
It was a reply for his haters. This song He's a beast.
Step president.
RM used to be known as rap monster. He has outgrown his name,
But he still has a
monster. Again, with other artists he has performed with. Fall Out Boy, you know, right? Friends. Yeah.
मेरे को भी एक्चुअली इसने ही बताया था कि मतलब फ्रेंड्स देख के इंग्लिश सीखा है.
He is helping here.
Yeah, I know.
He's helping them to learn English for the interview. This is Jim. He's basically like the father. As a leader.
He helps his group, right?
See you guys here.
चल आ रहे मोगा. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ओवर एक्टिंग का काट लेना पड़ा.
For existence. Or our music, our stage actually. There's a videos.
만들어줬습니다면 그걸로 저희의 I've heard that he was like so
Recommending music with the hashtag RM Music.
Bob Celsius, but I heard that those guys were waiting for the Jets car for like what the morning, like it was done, like 5 a.m. I cannot imagine that. Are you trying?
You okay?
So much, like with everything, with DNA, like hot like ice, fire.
He speaks pretty well. Chen,
The oldest member of the group.
vocalist.
Yep. Kim Sub-Jin. Jin was a theatre student in his university. He was scouted after being seen getting off a bus. मतलब can you imagine this like तू बस से उतरा है ठीक है and like someone sees you like he is so good looking इसको ग्रुप में डालते हैं है ना
हो सकता है
जिन इज लिटरली
अपने साथ नहीं होगा
अपने छोड़ दे
जिम में
जिन and quite handsome for a reason. क्या do that? So basically Billboard's Music Award में third guy from the left famous हो गया था because people outside of Korea found him handsome. Well, very handsome.
아니에요. 근데 왠지 이렇게 말하면 제 기분이 좋을 것 같아서 이렇게 얘기를 하고 다닙니다. 저는 월드와이드
Handsome.
갖고 싶다면 내가 한번 있어야지.
Let's see this.
좋아요. 이럴 수
It's the oldest in BTS. Usually a big deal in Korea because the oldest person has the most of them.
이게 셀프마다 이게
Eclipse well right
이유가 있잖아. 빨간 거 넣는 사람이랑 맞아요. 이거랑
basically I think he's kind of father to everyone because he cooks and
He is like a mom.
okay
Okay. Okay, just read it.
소리 떼창하면 문제하냐.
What do you call a group of girls in? Just Korean puns, dad jokes, windshield wiper laugh.
he had no background in singing hard to list
분에 의해서
कोई godfather नहीं
캐스팅이 되고
struggle is real right
가수 되기 전까지 노래를 한 살, 20살 때부터 노래를
he was
시작하게
around 20
되었는데
to 21
분명히
keep singing.
특출난 편은 아니지만 그래도 열심히 연습을 해서 조금씩 더 성장하는 모습을 보여드리려고 노력을
Yeah. We know Kim Soo-jin. Practicing guitar as a hobby. Yeah.
गाना कौन सा था?
I don't remember. Oh, a boy in love, boy in love.
क्या BTS का brand?
Yeah.
Oh सुगा
Okay,
अगस्त
August. Like bias. You can't take me or your friend rapper should be glad I'm a pop idol.
सुगा is a reputation of being immediately savage, blunt, and he will
ये
curse
तो ना
you.
फाड़ देगा he is just like me.
अच्छा एक बात बता, तूने मेरे को बोला था कि मतलब ये सोता रहता है
सोता रहता नहीं, अभी तेरे को पता चलेगा
हाँ।
इंट्रोवर्ट क्यों है, सोता क्यों है, बिकॉज अभी तेरे को पता चलेगा, ऑब्वियसली वीडियो तेरे को बता ही देगी.
As it turns, Suga is just an introvert who likes to be alone and his music, and he is always sleeping.
He chooses to stay up late composing songs in his studio. Genius,
Yeah, genius. At first I wanted to succeed and make money, but strangely I didn't want to become famous. थोड़ा समझ नहीं आया, फेमस क्यों नहीं, मतलब पैसा कमाना है.
Because he was
लेकिन-
poor as a child.
अच्छा,
He just wanted to make
हाँ वो तो पता है, तूने बताया ही है काफी. How many songs do you compose? And he says I think
one song a day.
मतलब 365 days, 365 songs.
He's got that many, just 200 to 300 songs. He has won awards for composing music, and you can see Suga Suga's like song vibe. They're acting as bodyguards. That's a vibe. Check it.
Yeah. He was like, sir, wait a minute. He was a poor as a teen, worked part-time jobs and made money sacrifices to pursue music, a risky career. Move that
I'll take the person. Even if I send my song, I didn't get paid. Sorry.
सीरियसली एक बात मेरे को बोलना था कि मतलब मेरे को मैंने अभी जितना तक देखा है, मतलब इन लोगों का स्ट्रगल इतना रियल है, ठीक है. ये लोग इतना स्ट्रगल करके मतलब इतने लो लेवल से इतने ऊपर तक उठे हैं, अपने बलबूते पे उठे हैं, ठीक है, ऑब्वियस सा बात है. लेकिन मेरे को समझ नहीं आता लोग ट्रोल और हेट कैसे कर देते हैं इन लोग को. मतलब तुम लोग अगर इतना थोड़ा सा भी कर लो ना, इन्होंने जितना किया उसका थोड़ा सा भी कर लो ना, तब तुमको पता चलेगा BTS कौन है. मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है, एंड आई रिग्रेट कि मैंने पहले BTS क्यों नहीं देखा है सुबह. सो
All thanks to me.
या
I can take the
इसको थैंक यू बोल रहे हैं. दर्द है भाई.
We're still in English. He basically inspires people through his rap.
दिख रहा है वो, दिख रहा है यार वो.
And this is why I idolize him.
मैं कितना क्यूट लग रहा है इसमें. तू मेरा लड़का ही हूँ ना. मैं लड़का ही हूँ.
Jai Ho.
भाई इसमें कंफ्यूजन होगा थोड़ा कंफ्यूज होता हूँ मैं.
Hobby. Rap Basically, he was a street dancer, right? He was a street dancer who turned into a rapper.
ओके, जैसे अपने यहाँ रफ्तार है. नहीं मतलब
Raftar is good, right?
हाँ,
No
वो
offense.
तो-
मतलब he was like just a street dancer. कुछ नहीं था भाई रैपिंग में बस. But Sugar Rap Monster helped him. मतलब उसको एक तरह से मदद किया बहुत ज़्यादा ही.
अच्छा, ही बेसिकली कोरियोग्राफ्स राइट द डांस परफॉर्मेंस.
He is the
इतना
dance
तो
leader.
पता है भाई.
He is the dance leader. Told you before.
हाँ, इसी ने बताया. सॉरी भूल गया था.
On the street. You saw that leg, right? Is his sunny personality which seems to cheer everyone up. I guess shopping like this. You'll be kicked out of the shop.
अरे स्वैग अलग है ओ भाई साहब
Oh shit. Not even Grub is sugar. He can make sugar laugh. Actually, the Joe and Sugar seem to polar opposites. They are one of the funniest duos together. They used to do a segment together, Soap Me.
समझ नहीं आ रहा लेकिन अच्छा लग रहा है
I know it coming. Okay. This is a viral video clip, okay?
Oh my god,
My heart is on.
got
Yeah, the jams.
Despite his sunny demeanor, J-Hope is also known to be a very
Stern dance
dancer.
teacher. You can see he's teaching Jenny here.
अबे यार ये ऐड आ गया बड़ा गुस्सा आता है यार ये दीदी ओ दीदी
काटो
दीदी
Nagaji was the newest music production and as a studio host world in 2018 released his Hope One mixtape. You see, his name is has a meaning. I mean,
Hope for Jimin
Shimon.
vocalist and dancer
He was a top student of the contemporary dance
at his school.
at school.
Oh.
Sexy charisma. We're reacting to their own video.
बहुत जन ने कमेंट किया था एक्चुअली कि मतलब रिएक्ट करते खुद के वीडियो पे और रिएक्ट करते
여행을 초 3월
For being very adorable.
that's Jimin right Jimin needs a lot of love and भाई उनका परफॉर्मेंस ही देख के रहता हूँ। क्या हो गया?
His voice cracked.
अच्छा
My microphone again inside.
how can I improve my singing? I think that's the only thing I've been concerning about my arts. The reason why I had a hard time these days is that I can't do it well.
You can do it.
As hard as I try, I can't. And all I want to have a voice which people often describe as a voice that touches the moon.
He's basically too hard on himself, right? Practices and practices.
Discipline.
His other members are there to support him as captured in this touching video. Tashula, they like you this video.
Complimenting each other.
Watch this clip. कितने ऊपर गई है?
दिख नहीं रही.
Kim Taeyang.
V, vocalist and dancer.
V is the son of a farmer and said that he might have become a farmer himself. He hadn't been noticed when he accompanied his friend to auditions. The first time, we know that he's a handsome guy.
Yeah.
But he was in the original dance style. We assured himself to be skilled dancer.
He was officially declared to be a part of the answer line after his solo in single क्या है? Singularity song. As a vocalist, he is known for his deep and soulful voice.
He is smiling because the bias was there. He's an actor too.
I didn't know that.
Wrong.
बताया नहीं पहले.
इसलिए तो वीडियो दिखा रहा हूँ. ऐसे बताने के लिए नहीं होती.
अब समझ आया कि
Best friends. Jimin and V. Was once in 95. The duo used to be known for posting. So basically he's rapping here and all the other members are judging him. Look at the face. Excited tapping into 2000.
Hindu Bengal.
So there is the R&B, wrote and
composed the states I wanted to perform a song that I made on the stage, a song that I wrote on my own, and that song is good.
Let's go with this one.
Shusha.
He has a funny habit of using the names of his favorite artists when traveling. What's your name? Runwa for Asian guys.
Other hobbies include fashion, collecting
Gucci clothes, Gucci boy.
playing with saxophone and photography. He posts his photos under the name One Day.
Inspired by his favorite minimalist photographer and my friend, and that's it.
Oh,
The last member.
Mantu Shukla. You can't miss Jantu.
He is the main vocalist and often at the center of dance formations. The youngest. We call him the Matinee, the golden Matinee. Because he's good at everything. Singing, dancing and even rapping. You get the clip.
Oh, mic drop का beat था ना?
I wasn't really ambitious on singing. All I wanted to do was dance. Look at those moves.
Out of all singers, Jantu tends to have the most stable voice. Oh,
Sprinting.
archery.
Golden. Even a gamer boy.
Oi.
Basically, he scored the highest with that punch. He was shy, talented, capable, joined BTS at a very young age, 14 years old. तो अपने को रूम से निकलने नहीं देते थे माँ बाप. सोच रहे हो अगर BTS ज्वाइन कर लिए भी लेना.
Korea, India.
Like 6 youngs, Korean one for older brother.
Referring to those older male friends.
Got a many things.
오늘 배우잖아. 인생에서 가장 중요하다. 졸라 아닙니다. 아십니까? 알죠? 진짜? 싫어 아닙니까?
In English. Pardon.
Things burning.
Sorry.
My heart is burning. Because of Chin.
왜 이렇게 됐어 너?
Oh,
왜 이렇게 됐어?
so.
I told you not to learn those things.
भाई अच्छा लग रहा है.
His aims have seen him grow up and go through all of his phases. Look at me. I mean, just let's in मतलब कुछ भी करने देते हैं इसको कुछ भी करता रहता है.
भाई मैं सब
अपने दोनों का बायस. गाना ही बनाया उसने अपने क्रिकेट बोल के बाकी लोग के लिए.
what I see and
Mostly from the members, they're a huge influence.
and I think
It could be a manifestation. All the 6. That's where the golden Matinee.
came here at 15 and you could say that they raised me. I'm thankful that they were
Proud parents.
yeah.
앞으로 이제 우리끼리 목표라는 게 있으니까 좀 앞으로 잘 해가면서 앞으로 시작했으면 좋겠어요.
I guess you are grown up.
그게 형들이 6명 그러니까 이제 앞으로 날아다니겠어.
they are selling flyers for their concert. They held a free concert. Literally a free concert. That's when उन्होंने अपना पहला अवार्ड जीता.
कहाँ पे?
अरे उनका बड़ा सा शो होता है अच्छा फिल्म म्यूजिक अवार्ड्स आई गेस.
मैं भाई बिलबोर्ड का दिखा रहा था. बस confused कर दिया.
मैं खुद कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ कभी टेंशन होती है. Officially sold out nights of fans surprising readers with a rainbow ocean. Are with one of the speeches.
Purple lights. भाई साहब काफ़ी सही वीडियो था. सो बेसिकली वीडियो बहुत अच्छा था. बहुत लंबा हो गया है
लेकिन एटलीस्ट एक प्रॉपर इंट्रो मिल चुका है अब.
हाँ अब समझ में आ
लाइक
जाएगा.
मोस्ट ऑफ यू जस्ट कमेंटेड कि भाई तू हमेशा नाम क्यों लेता रहता है चैनल के बीच में कि लाइक इसका नाम क्यों ले रहा है बार बार. चैनल में गाने चल रहे हैं तो बीच में बोल रहा है दैट्स वो दैट्स वो. तो
अरे एक्चुअली मेरे को BTS के बारे में पहले से पता नहीं था तो इसने मेरे को इंट्रोडक्शन मतलब वो वीडियो के बीच बीच इंट्रोड्यूस करता रहता है कि अच्छा ये RM है ये जंगकुक है. तो ऐसे इंट्रोडक्शन मतलब मेरे को समझ में आता है ना. तो
अब
वही.
जैसे फुल लेंथ वीडियो इतनी लंबी बना रही है
हाँ,
ऑब्वियसली बहुत लंबी हो चुकी
अब
है.
आप लोग के ऊपर है ये वीडियो को
पूरा
लाइक
देख
कर देना यार. पूरा
जरूर कर देना
हाँ.
पूरी देखने के बाद. लेकिन
Please यार.
हाँ अब शायद तुझे जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी रोज मेरे बीच में बुलाने की. तू खुद ही बोल लेगा.
मेरे को रोज सुनाई दिया.
रोज रोज
मतलब हाँ वो तो मैं समझ गया कि अब मतलब इंट्रोडक्शन मिल गया ना. अब टेंशन नहीं है. अब ठीक है.
अब खुद पहचान लेगा लौंडा.
और नहीं तो क्या.
अब खुद देखेगा बोलेगा दैट्स माय बायस जंगकुक.
मैंने पहले बोला है कि सो गाइस काफ़ी लंबा वीडियो हो चुका है तो लाइक कर देना. और वीडियो अगर यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो श्योर लाइक करके जाना. अगर अच्छा नहीं लगा तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बता देना क्या अच्छा नहीं लगा.
डिसलाइक मत मारना
प्लीज़.
कोई नहीं है. आप गरीब है नहीं मार ही लो. छोड़ो आपको क्या मारो
तो वो मार दो. अगर अच्छा नहीं लगा डिसलाइक मार देना लेकिन कमेंट कर देना कि क्यों मारा है. ठीक है
बस रीजन मिलेगा ना हमें कि
हाँ.
भाई हाँ अच्छा
ताकि हम भी इम्प्रूव कर पाए और आप लोगों को पसंद आया मतलब आगे चल के. ठीक है तो बाय बाय पीस.